like he's got his own little food stash there, guys. This is a crow or a raven, as some people know them. Oh, oh, oh. What a moment! What a moment! Oh, wow. They want to make babies. Ooh-hoo. Ooh-hoo. Kissing in the tree, hey? Ah. Beautiful performance. Alrighty, say bye-bye. Oh, thank you, well done. Say bye-bye.